Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart. Yes, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And yesterday we saw a sudden up move on the chart of gold because of a sudden correction on the chart of DXY. Right now the correction on DXY is still continuing. We can see DXY right now standing at 110 level. And if you have watched my previous videos, and hopefully you were also ready, because we have been discussing about the upcoming correction on the chart of DXY. We were ready for this correction. So the next important level for DXY will be around 110 level. Because right now while I'm shooting this video, okay, though DXY is trying to take support, but the selling pressure is too high and I can see a bearish kind of a flag here. So yes, there can be a further drop on DXY and there can be further upside on the chart of gold. So if DXY falls from the current market position, then you must look DXY around 110 level, because that will be the next important support for DXY. DXY will definitely try to take support and bounce, because if DXY breaks 110 level, there will be a change of structure. Okay, so this level will be very important for DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. You can see that I have mentioned many levels on the chart, so let's try to understand one by one. Okay, so I have zoomed out the chart, so you can see that I have marked many zones. Let's try to understand one by one. We have the strongest resistance, okay, strongest resistance on the chart of gold around 1722 to 28. This is the strongest resistance zone and this is at the top. In case there is a sudden big recovery on the chart of gold, then by next week we can expect the market to reverse from this level. But this level deserves attention, that's why I'm just bringing it to your notice. So 1722 is the 22 to 28 is the most important resistance zone because of strong price rejection previously. But before that we have 1681 to 86. This is a big zone, can't help it, but yes, 1681 to 86 is also an important resistance in the market because of Fibonacci retracement level. You can see we have Fibonacci 61.8% retracement as well as previous price rejection. So if we combine both the factors here, then 60, 81, 85, 84, this is a resistance zone in the market, and you can see that the reliability is also very high. It means that in case of a sudden up move in the market, you may see strong price rejection from above. Okay, in this manner, at least you can expect a profit of 30 to 40 pips, because there are strong sellers present in this level and who will not allow the market to go up that easily. See, we have got many levels on the chart, but that doesn't mean that each and every level is similar. Okay, every level has got different potential. So in this chart, this is the strongest support, then this is also a very strong, strongest resistance 1720 to 28, and this is also a very strong resistance right now. Okay, before that we have also 1666 to 70. 1666 to 1670 is also an important resistance on the market. You can see 1666, 1670 is a resistance zone, because whenever market has tried to go up, it has failed. So therefore we can expect that if the market remains like this, listen to me carefully, if the market remains like this, if there is not a sudden fall in the market on the chart of DXY, if you see that DXY is also trading more or less normally, if you see US bond is also trading normally, then under those circumstances you can expect the market to reverse from 1666 1670 level, because see, I have mentioned the reliability, and the reliability is medium, it's not very high. So as a result, if the market is extremely volatile, if you see a sudden big green candle like this, then do not expect the market to reverse, because this level does not have the strength potential to reverse the market. So if the market remains normal, if the volatility remains normal, then only you can expect the market to reverse from 1,667.0 level. Okay, and the next important or not so important resistance is 16592 1662, 1659 to 1662. As you can see, the reliability is low. So this level is for day traders only. Okay, this level is for day traders only. If as you can see, the right now gold is going up. So once market will enter this level, observe the market. If you see the market is reversing, then only take a sell position. I don't know whether a complete reversal will come or not, but at least I think we can expect a profit of 40 pips. But keep in mind, the reliability is low, not very strong. So the sellers present in this level are not very strong enough. So this level is for day traders only. If you see market reversing, if you see prices being rejected from above, if you see market forming shooting star kind of a pattern or any good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that okay, you can go for a sell position. So please be careful, do not take a sell position blindly. Okay, because it's your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money. Our capital is limited, do not forget that. Okay. So these are the resistances on the chart of gold right now. Okay, now let's talk about the supports. You can see I have mentioned supports. Okay, so first important support, okay, in case market goes down, the first important support will be this level, 1637, 38, 39 level. This is a good support in the market. As you can see, I have mentioned the reliability as medium, not very bad. So in case of a sudden drop also, you can expect the market to bounce. Okay, if there is no fundamental factor that is driving the market crazy, you can expect the market to bounce from 1637, 38 level. In case there is a sudden drop in the market, if you see that there is a sudden selling, huge selling in the market, and if you see market breaking 1637, 39 level, then the next important level will be 1629, 30 level. We are considering this level because of Fibonacci here. Again, we are using Fibonacci. You can see that around 1628-29 level we have Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level. Okay, and ultimate support right now in the chart of gold is around 1615 to 1620. So these are the levels for today. And as you can see on the economic calendar today, we do not have any big event coming up that will bring craziness to the market. So let's wait and watch. And my dear friends, the workshop is back. I'll be conducting from day after tomorrow onwards. Okay, if you're really serious about learning about the market, if you really like my way of trading, then you can definitely sign up, because this is the world's most affordable workshop. Because after the workshop, you'll also receive 1 month of free service. There are lots and lots of benefits. You can check out the link in the description. Bye bye, take care.